Hey, if you wonder if the cameras in the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G take the photos in the solid colors, I can quickly check this for you. So first, we are going to check for the ultra-wide angle. I'm gonna actually catch focus for this. The same for the 1x, for the wide lens, and for the telephoto lens. So now let's take a look. This is the photo taken with the telephoto lens. This is taken with the wide lens, and as you can see, there's like definitely difference in the colors. These colors are like definitely more vivid. This one is like more natural, and this one was taken also with the ultra wide lens, and it's also a little bit different from this one. Apart from the quality, the colors are definitely more vivid right here. So as you can see, when you take photos with this phone, you've got actually 3 different colors on each zoom, on each lens. So that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.